away, away. Ooh, I thought it'd be me.